Clarendon, Jamaica. 4 people were charged, including 2 security guards, with possession of illegal firearms. Greetings, and salutations, all nations. I'm Rastafari Soldier. First time tuning into the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Help build up the Rastaman panel. The Clarendon police have charged 2 men, including a security guard, following an incident on Monday on Waterman Street in Hayes. Charged with possession of prohibited weapon are Adrian Daley, 26, a security guard of Content District, Yorktown, a 36-year-old Carl Palmer, a contractor of racetrack. Reports from the police are about 6:30 p.m. Lawmen were conducting an operation in Hayes area when a white Toyota Probox was signaled to stop. The driver complied, then started to reverse. After being stopped by the police, the occupant man in the vehicle were searched and a Glock 19 pistol was discovered under a mat off the passenger seat. Both men were arrested and charged. Their court date are being finalized. In Portland, 2 men are also arrested and charged with firearms offense following the seizure of a revolver at Windsor on Tuesday. Odane Clarke, 26, a farmer of Riverview, and 55-year-old Wilton Clarke, otherwise called Willy Sweetness, mason of Rivers View, have been charged with possession of a prohibited firearm, unauthorized prohibit of a ammunition. Reports from the Portland police are that about 11 a.m. lawmen carrying out operation at premises. A search was conducted when a 9mm Beretta handgun, 2 magazines, and 10 9mm rounds were found inside the kitchen of the premises. They were arrested and taken into custody, where they were subsequently charged. Their court date has not yet been finalized. I wonder, where are Jamaicans getting so many firearms from? Are they manufacturing them in Jamaica? Are they being shipped in from a different land? Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comments. Every day we hear of seizures of firearms. Hats off to the JCF and the operations that are being conducted. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment if you have any ideas of where these firearms coming from, inoculating our communities and causing daily tragedies. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment about what we can do to make Jamaica safe again. More life, more joy, and more happiness.
You're watching Big Roots TV. Fire,